Most of the time, I hate listening to the radio. I do listen to music on my way to and from work, but it's mostly played from my iPod. I don't like listening to the radio for a number of different reasons, but the main one I want to kind of go over today is the different sound effects that music and ads and stuff use. Now, I don't know if there's some sort of regulation board that checks all of these ads and checks these music, the songs that they play for particular things or not. But the main things I have a complaint against are things like car horns in songs and ads, sirens or some form of siren or alarm of some kind, car screeching or glass breaking. Those sort of things I hear quite regularly on the radio. I'd say almost every ad break on the radio has an ad with some sort of sound effect, and not just that, but music as well. And I feel like these sound effects are causing more harm than good. It's not like it's going to have your brand more popular than any other's brand, but what it's actually doing is that it could potentially cause a car accident. I mean, if you're driving down the road and you hear sirens coming from the radio, and you're not sure that it's coming from the radio, and you're looking around you to see where the police car is, or the ambulance is, or the fire truck is, and you accidentally crash into the car in front of you because you're too distracted, well, there you go. That's what causes accidents. And I mean, your ad doesn't need it. It doesn't matter what you're advertising. There's no way that you would need a car horn to advertise car horns. I mean, unless you're a car horn salesman, but I don't even think those type of people exist. I don't think that's an actual job. So, as a tip, if you're thinking of making a car ad or a radio ad or something like that, don't use sirens, don't use horns, because it's dangerous. And anybody who owns a radio station, if you have ads or music playing on your radio that have the type of sound effects, take them off. We need to update the radio regulation board, because this kind of stuff is too dangerous to keep on the radio. Anyway, that's been my little spiel for today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.